Aditi, working as an intern at the Lexington company. So my topic for today is standard contract. A standard contract is referred to the label or a template agreement that is pre-written agreement that include the standard term and condition and the type of transaction and the relation. These contract is designed to be easily adaptable or a various situation while providing the consistent framework to the parties to enter into the contract. Here are the key points of the standard contract. First is commonly uses, second is consistency, third is efficiency, fourth is customization, fifth is legal review, sixth is clarity, seventh is important clause, and eighth is update, and ninth is consideration of parties beginning power, and tenth is unfair contract terms. And while using the standard contract, it is important to strike a balance between the convenience and they offer and they need to address the unique aspect of the each transaction, having the legal professionalist involved in the drafting and reviewing the process, helping to cover the accuracy, representing the parties intention and legally bound. Thank you.